Hey there, healthy humans. It's Dr. Singh, and welcome. So have you ever had that annoying ache in your back that just won't go away? Trust me, you're not alone. Back pain is one of those universal struggles. Almost everyone deals with it at some point. But why is it so common? And more importantly, what can you actually do about it? Let's start with the basics. Your back is like the highway of your body. It's carrying everything all the time. Whether you're sitting at a desk, lugging groceries, or even just scrolling on your phone, your back is always working. The trouble is, our daily habits often aren't doing our backs any favors. First up, posture. If you're anything like me, you probably slouch while working or hunch over your phone. Over time, this puts a lot of extra stress on your spine and muscles, leading to, you guessed it, pain. Then there's the whole sitting is the new smoking thing. Sitting for hours without moving tightens your hip flexors and weakens your core, so your back ends up picking up the slack. And don't even get me started on heavy lifting with poor form. One wrong move and you're out of commission for days. Things like age, genetics, injuries, and even stress can play a huge role. When you're stressed, your muscles tense up, making back pain worse. It's like your body's way of saying, "Hey, give me a break." Now the good news, most back pain isn't serious and can be managed right at home. Simple changes make a big difference. For starters, try to be mindful of your posture. Sit up straight, shoulders relaxed, feet flat on the floor. Set a reminder to get up and stretch every hour. If you need to lift something heavy, bend your knees, keep your back straight, and let your legs do the work. And don't forget your core. Strengthening your core muscles, think planks, bridges, or even yoga, can support and protect your back. If pain sticks around for more than a few weeks, or if you feel tingling, numbness, or weakness, don't ignore it. See a doctor. Sometimes back pain is a sign of something more serious. So take care of your back. Listen to your body, move a little more, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Because honestly, you deserve to feel your best every single day. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share with someone who's always complaining about their back. See you in the next one.